Hi guys, and welcome to Business and Money channel. So let's discuss 10 ways to make money on Instagram. Let's dive in. 1. Sell physical products. You can use Instagram to sell physical products such as clothing, accessories, or home decor. For example, you can set up a shop on your Instagram profile and use the swipe up feature in your stories to link to your products. Alternatively, you can direct your followers to your website or an e-commerce platform such as Etsy or Amazon. 2. Sell digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables can also be sold through Instagram. You can use the swipe up feature in your stories or post links in your profile bio to direct your followers to your website or an online marketplace where they can purchase your products. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. For example, you can use Instagram to review and promote a product and include your affiliate link in your post or bio. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. 4. Sponsored posts. Brands may be willing to pay you to create and post content promoting their products or services. This can be a one-time collaboration or a recurring partnership. To secure sponsored post opportunities, you can reach out to brands directly or join an influencer marketing platform. 5. Brand partnerships. Similar to sponsored posts, brand partnerships involve working with a brand to create content or develop a long-term collaboration. For example, a clothing brand might ask you to create a series of Instagram posts showcasing their products or to host a giveaway on your profile. 6. Instagram ads. You can use Instagram's advertising platform to promote your own products or services, or to advertise products or services on behalf of other businesses. With Instagram ads, you can target specific audiences and track the performance of your campaigns. 7. Influencer marketing. If you have a large and engaged following on Instagram, you may be able to leverage your influence to work with brands on sponsored content or partnerships. Brands may be willing to pay you to promote their products or services to your followers. 8. Instagram coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as social media marketing, fitness, or personal development, you can offer coaching or consulting services through Instagram. You can use the platform to promote your services and interact with potential clients. 9. Instagram challenges. Instagram challenges are a popular way to engage your followers and promote products or services. For example, you might create a 30-day fitness challenge and offer paid access to a workout guide or coaching program. 10. Instagram Live. Instagram Live allows you to go live on the platform and interact with your followers in real time. You can use Instagram Live to offer paid access to exclusive content, such as a cooking demonstration or Q&A session, or to sell products or services. For example, you might host a live yoga class and offer a discounted rate for attendees. I hope these ideas give you some inspiration for how you can use Instagram to make money. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.